How to make Pisces man fall in love with you. Pisces men are gentle, dreamy, and deeply emotional. Ruled by Neptune, they're romantic idealists who seek meaningful connection. Winning their heart takes more than charm, it requires sincerity, patience, and emotional depth. Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Here's a simple and practical guide to help you build a genuine bond with a Pisces man. 1. Be honest and emotionally open. Pisces men value honesty. Share your feelings openly and don't pretend to be someone you're not. They sense insincerity quickly and are drawn to those who speak from the heart. 2. Keep a little mystery. Avoid revealing everything about yourself too quickly. Pisces men enjoy mystery and imagination. Let him explore your personality in layers, it keeps him intrigued and engaged. 3. Talk about dreams and ideas. He's not just interested in facts. Pisces men love talking about dreams, creativity, and life's deeper meaning. Discuss books, art, music, or your future goals to connect with his imaginative side. 4. Be a good listener. He may be quiet, but his thoughts run deep. Listen carefully when he opens up. Show empathy and give him space to express his feelings without judgment. 5. Support him gently. Pisces men are sensitive. Criticism or harsh words can hurt them deeply. Offer gentle encouragement and let him know you believe in him, even when he doubts himself. 6. Use small romantic gestures. He appreciates thoughtful details more than big shows. A sweet message, a handwritten note, or a surprise song can make his heart melt. 7. Respect his beliefs and dreams. Never mock his ideals or romantic views. Support his passions and show respect for his personal beliefs. He wants someone who understands his emotional and spiritual side. 8. Give him time alone. Pisces men often need time to reflect and recharge. Don't take it personally if he pulls back sometimes. Give him space, he'll come back more connected. 9. Build a deeper bond. Try to connect on a spiritual or emotional level. Meditation, meaningful talks, or sharing personal experiences can make your relationship stronger. 10. Be patient and present. Love grows slowly for a Pisces man. Be patient, but stay emotionally available. Your consistent care and attention will help him trust and fall for you over time. A Pisces man doesn't fall in love overnight. But if you meet him with honesty, kindness, and emotional depth, he'll give you a love that's tender, soulful, and lasting. Do you want to keep your man's eyes on you and only you? Would you love to make him absolutely addicted to you? Learn about 3 ways to make a man addicted to you. Visit the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.